Lemonade is a community-based food model for over 60s living in and around Bermondsey. One of the key aims of this project is bringing people together around food. Today we are cooking curries from all around the world. We will have curry from Thailand, from Ghana, India, and the Caribbean. It's going to be a multi-generational session where we have some pupils from Boucher Church of England School coming along to cook with our over 60s, and then we'll all have lunch together.
Today I found very enjoyable mixing with people and working with my friend. It's just like it's community and bringing together and being happy.
I enjoyed it very much. I learned how to cook Thai curry.
The session was brilliant. I really enjoyed it. The food was great and I really liked looking at how the food got cooked.
The food was really good and everyone here was really sweet and amazing.
It was lovely. It was nice to taste and enjoy different foods from around the world, different cultures, and also be with lots of different people.
I don't do a lot of cooking now, I'm on my own, so to come and do this, it's like enjoyable and you can read the ingredients, and some things I might not have heard of. You know, like when it was like a garlic thing, I know what it is, but I didn't know how to peel it. So it's things like that, so I'm thoroughly enjoying coming to this sort of thing.
It was really great to see the younger children come in, and I think they really enjoyed themselves at this cooking event, to get to know older people and to see how things are done, and it makes everybody happy.
It's been a joy to see the kids come around and take an interest in the cooking. We need to have contact between different generations, so I think that this is generally important and really missing a bit from our society. In Japan it's not the same, and I'm glad we're taking up that way of doing things, and I think the children enjoy it too.
It was really brilliant interacting with these children. I think it's important for them to understand older people, because a lot of young ones are quite rude and they push you in front and everything and they don't give you a seat. But if they start mixing with people now, they will see it and they'll grow up to respect older people.
I think it's important for children to spend time with older people because they'll be able to understand them and you can get along with each other.
Events like this are very important because a lot of older people don't get involved in a lot of things, or they don't know about these things. And this event has brought a lot of people that won't come out of their flats together, and I think it's wonderful.
Food is a social leveler and also an integral part of people's culture. So it was really wonderful to see all the different curries we cooked today, and to see people enjoy a meal together, especially the young and the old, having fun and enjoying meals together. You know, meal sharing and cooking together has been really shown to impact positively on people's health, and this is one goal the Lemonade project has been able to achieve.